Today we are drawing a sweet cupcake with swirly frosting, colorful sprinkles, and a cherry on top. Grab your pencil and follow along. Let's draw something yummy together, step by step. Draw the flat bottom of the cup and the slanted right side of the paper liner. Trace the big bottom layer of pink frosting. Add the fluffy middle layer of frosting. Outline the small top frosting where the cherry sits. Draw a smooth curve for one side of the round cherry. Sketch a tiny sprinkle shape in the center for the blue candy. Add a fold line down the left side of the cupcake wrapper. Draw the matching fold on the right side of the wrapper. Curve the cherry stem upward into a little hook. Color the left sprinkle a sparkly golden yellow. Fill the center sprinkle with bright sky blue. Add a zesty lime green sprinkle on the right. Color the upper right sprinkle a pretty purple. Add a tiny white shine on the cherry so it looks glossy. Paint the cherry a bold, juicy red. Fill the top frosting with a soft peach color. Color the middle frosting with light pink. Fill the bottom frosting layer with light pink, too. Your cupcake looks amazing. Give yourself a high five, and I'll see you in the next drawing adventure. Thanks for watching! Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Secro Art for more amazing step-by-step sketch guides.